this video, I'm going to show you how to install the carbon monoxide alarm from First Alert. So in addition to the carbon monoxide alarm, it comes with a 9-volt battery, some mounting hardware, comes with an owner's manual, and a little sticker you could put on the wall. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open the battery compartment and put in this 9-volt battery. And you just line it up and press it in. And now just close the battery compartment. Okay, so now let's test it. When I press that, it says that there should be 4 beeps that come on, and then there will be a pause, and then 4 more beeps. And the alarm will flash. So we know that this is now fully functioning. Next step, let's go show how to mount it on the wall. Okay, so this is the back again, and you see these holes here. That's where you're going to put it over the screw. So I'm going to make a template of the back, and that way when we put it up against the wall, I'll just be able to pencil in where the screws should go, and it'll be a lot easier. I'll show you what I mean. So as you can see, I got a nice white piece of paper. I'm going to take a pencil, and I'm just going to trace around the edges. Okay, so basically that's roughly what it's going to look like. Okay, so now I cut it out. I'm going to just put it on top of here, like so. And now I can feel where the holes are going to be for the screws. You can actually see it. And now I'm just going to, the best of my ability, just kind of feel for the edges there. And then just trace it. Okay, so I finished with one side. So now I'm going to do this side over here. Again, just feeling for where it is. And now I'm just going to trace right over the ridge. Okay, so there you go. I got a template now. All I got to do is cut out these holes. Okay, so I got me an X-Acto knife, and I'm just going to cut this out. I mean, you could probably even use a little scissors. Like if you got a little pocket knife, they usually have some scissors that come with it. But I haven't had one of these. And I laid some cardboard underneath it so as not to, you know, cut up the desk. Okay, there's one. Now I'll do the other one. Okay, so now we got our template, and let's go now put it up on the wall. Okay, so we have a small little hallway here. There's a bedroom door there, and a bedroom door here. And I'm going to put it right above this bedroom door. Okay, so I just traced the holes, and I don't know if you can see, but yeah, see right there? There's where I traced one of the holes, and there's where I traced the other hole. So basically when I put the screws in, I'm going to put them at the top edge, at the top of it, because the way this is going to work is the bigger holes, or I'm going to initially put them in and then slide it downward, slide the unit downward. But you'll see once I do it. I did a little test here. I got a really thin drill bit, and I drilled in the top of that hole there, just to see if I was going to hit any wood, because I'm close enough to the frame here that I think there's some wood in here. And sure enough, I did hit wood. So I'll be using a straight screw right into there. Okay, put my screw in that pilot hole there. And I'm just going to use a handheld screwdriver Okay, so I actually screwed it a lot more, almost right up against the wall. I did the other one same way. And so now we got both of the screws in. And so let's put the carbon monoxide alarm on and see how it looks. Okay, I'm just gonna take it, see where the holes are back there. And I'm just gonna put them right on top of here, like so. There we go. Perfect. Thank you for watching.